Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, that reading may clear some doubts you may have or answer some questions in your circumstances. So you can watch that reading, Virgos. So for your general energies today, we have these cards. So Virgos, in your circumstances, you are feeling a little confused about something. There is an important decision you need to make, and you are quite confused. You don't know what will be the right thing, what will be the right choice, the right decision. And you are thinking about something, worried or anxious. It may be regarding some offers or opportunities that are coming to you today, or it may be some important decisions about your relationship. You are thinking whether this connection is working or not, or what will be the next step, what you need to do. So there is some confusion. Sometimes you feel that you love them, you want this connection to work, you want a beautiful understanding between yourselves, and you are wishing and praying for something good, something happy to unfold. But sometimes you feel that this person is not up to your expectations, and you may have a lot of arguments, stressful circumstance, and those times you are worried, you are having a lot of fears about the future of this love. You are thinking whether this person loves you or not, what are their intentions, whether it is good or bad. So your mind is going round and round, very much confused, unable to decide with certainty, unable to decide with clarity. So you may feel that these circumstances are happening because there is some kind of a karma or destiny playing its part in your life. Maybe sometimes you feel happy, sometimes you feel sad, and you cannot just hold on to something with certainty, hold on to your decision with certainty. But Virgos, today there is something happening. It may be a friend or a family member. There is going to be a surprise visit from someone. It may be your friend, or it may be this person you love. They are coming to you with the news, and this person's visit is going to change everything. It is going to bring you clarity and understanding, and you will be able to make the right decision today. What will work, or what will be the future of this love? So circumstances are giving you clarity today, Virgos. So for your relationship, we have Page of Cups in reverse. So whatever was not clear, the doubts and confusion is going to be resolved. Even this person may feel the same way. So there is a friend or a common friend for both of you. That person is coming to you both, resolving this situation, and it is a happy turn. It is a happy ending we see here with these cards for your relationship. So maybe this connection will work and things will fall into place. All your confusion and doubts are clearing up today, Virgos. So for your career situation, we have 9 of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe in your career, there may be some delays, something may not work as you had hoped for, and it may not be the right time to make any important decisions. So if you want to make right decision, you should not go for it right now. You must wait for time. Give your situation time. Take your own time. Be patient. You will know with clarity what will be the right choice for your career situation, Virgos. So that is the reading with these cards for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, it says Bluebeard, Taboos. So in your circumstances today, you may be really close to someone. It may be the person you love, or it may be a friend of yours. But this person has a lot of secrets, and maybe you are curious to know more about this person. You want to find out more information about them because you feel that they are not telling you the truth or they are not being honest with you. But the truth they are hiding may be dangerous to you, may be dangerous to this relationship you have with them. But you need to be curious. You need to find out about them because this relationship, if it holds a lot of secrets, these are not good secrets, and you cannot forgive this person for whatever they are holding from you. So there are certain things that are happening in this relationship between you both. There are a lot of difficulties, a lot of emotions or feelings you are hiding or this person is hiding from you. And it may be quite dangerous for them to reveal the truth because they are afraid that they may lose you. But you should be close to this person only if you have a complete understanding. If you do not have a complete understanding about them, you should take a step back and you must listen to people who are close to you, your friends or family members whom you trust and whom you know for sure are really concerned about your welfare. So you must trust to their ideas and suggestions. Maybe they will be able to see things that you are not able to see clearly about this person, about this love. So you must respect their suggestions, listen to it. That is going to help you today. So that is the energy here with this card. And whatever secrets are being hidden from you, today all those secrets are coming out for sure, and you will know the truth today in this relationship. So that is the energy here with this card for y'all. So let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have come to the edge. So with this card, the energy for y'all is that this may be the time for you to take a risk. It may be for something beautiful. Maybe when you are having some inhibition to be close to someone, when you are holding something, holding your emotions or feelings not to be revealed, and you don't want to be really intimate with anyone because you are afraid that they will know your true heart. But taking that risk is going to help you. Only when you build a relationship on truth, it is going to last forever. So it is necessary, it's important to speak up, to tell this other person what you need to tell them. Tell about yourself. Tell about what your hopes are and what your dreams are. And this is not the time to play it safe. This may be the time to take the leap of faith. And you will be glad that you did it, because if you are seeking a truthful relationship, that is the first step. So letting this other person see your true self, your true nature, your true emotions, that is going to help you, and that is going to work in a magical way. By taking this risk, you are building a beautiful relationship based on trust and honesty. So you must take heart and take that leap of faith. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.